Hey everyone, welcome back to WeeklyTools. If your vehicle is throwing a P0673 code, it means there's an issue with the glow plug in cylinder 3. Glow plugs are critical for starting diesel engines, especially in cold weather. Today, I'll show you how to diagnose and fix it step by step. Error code P0673 means that there's a problem in the glow plug circuit, causing cylinder 3 glow plug to fail from heating up. This will require a complete and thorough inspection to locate the fault. A multimeter to test resistance and continuity. A socket set to remove the glow plug if necessary. Safety gloves and goggles to protect yourself. And, optionally, your car's service manual for reference. Carefully remove the glow plugs from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed a test on the glow plugs. Read the result of the multimeter display. Note that a resistance of less than 6 ohms usually means the glow plug is good. Repeat the procedure for the remaining glow plugs until they have all been tested. If any of the glow plugs fail the test, it is recommended that the entire set be replaced. The glow plug control module is located on the engine, and with a direct connection to the engine control unit first. Carefully remove the glow plug control module from the vehicle. Visually inspect the module to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Check the glow plug control module itself and its electrical connections for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the glow plug control module. Replacing your glow plugs or glow plug control module is a straightforward project that is recommended every 60,000 miles or 95,000 kilometers. Finally, use an OBD scanner to clear the code and start the engine. If the code doesn't return, you've successfully fixed the issue. And that's it for today's video. Fixing code P0673 can save you a trip to the mechanic and get your vehicle back in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.